There's a lot that goes into it, starting with the prep work before the actual lesson, before diving into the main content. You should kick things off with a quick activity to get everyone excited and engaged. This could be a fun little exercise that lasts around 5 minutes, just enough to grab their attention. The choice of activity is totally yours. In this lesson, our topic is about protecting self from intentional injuries and promoting wellness through target and invasion games. So, this is the combination of physical education and health. So, I decided to make a short motivation by asking learners to close eyes and imagine a place where they feel safe, who is there, and what helps them feel protected, with a follow up question of what sounds, people, or actions make it feel safe. You can also incorporate a simple group activity where students do some warm up exercises. If anyone feels uncomfortable, they should raise their hand and the teacher will come over. This way, students can feel safe and ready to participate. However, keep in mind that it's not necessary to mix PE and health into one lesson. We can break it down into smaller parts, like having one session for PE and another for health. It all depends on what works best for you and the needs of the students. The DepEd Order Number 9 Series 2026 doesn't state that these have to be combined in one session. Ang lesson plan ay flexible at ang pinakamahalaga ay naka-align ito sa curriculum. Ay mayroong tatlong session. Session 1 ay nakatuon sa risky protective factors, cognitive affective. Session 2 ay maaring mag-focus sa strategies at proposals, affective. At session 3 sa gameplay design at demonstration. Ito naman ay nakapaloob sa psychomotor. So, pagdating sa ilaw principle, ang learning journey ay dapat may progression mula sa pag-unawa, sa pag-reflect, hanggang sa actual na paggawa. So, bakit ganito yung flow? Diba sa intentions, dapat malinaw na nakasaad kung ano yung competency at objectives natin. So, injury prevention plus wellness through games. Then, sa learning experience naman, kanina nag-motivation tayo. Then, dito sa flow, may warm-up, guided imagery, jigsaw reflection, gameplay design, lahat nakaangkla sa learner context. Itong lesson na ito ay nagpapakita ng integration ng PE at ng health. Pero tandaan na hindi required na lagi silang combine. Ito ay maaari nating hatiin sa iba't ibang session depende sa pangangailangan ng ating mga mag-aaral. Hanggang dito na lang. Kayang-kaya mo yan, teacher.